welcome back to Obsessive Chicks. Today's topic is on prepping freeze-dried fruits. Do you really want them in your food preps? Is it something that you can get by with dehydrated? Now the cost of freeze-dried fruits is a little pricey, but they also last 25 to 30 years. 25 to 30 years, that's a long time. And dehydrated, 10 years. So if you have a dehydrator, by all means, dehydrate your fruits and vegetables. It is so simple, so easy. Apple slices, bananas. But if you're looking for a longer term item that you want to spend the money on, I don't know that I necessarily want to spend a lot of money like these number 10 cans of freeze-dried blueberries. But another alternative, and I'm going to talk to you and have this discussion real quickly. Now, these packages all here I purchased at Trader Joe's, and I really like them. Most of them are like 1.2 ounces. Now, on a 1.2 ounce raspberry, it's $3.49. The blueberries are $3.49. Your apples, your banana slices are $2.99 for 1.2 ounces. And your mangoes is $3.49. Now, where this discussion comes in is, do you want to purchase from Augustin or Honeyville? Do you want to purchase from Patriots Pantry or any of these other companies? You know, and so I kind of broke down the cost here. And let me see if I can get closer for you to see. Now, this is primarily strawberries. And what I've got going on here is the pantry size at Thrive, which is the smaller one that serves 8 servings, is $14.89. The number 10 can serves 23 and it's $34.79. Augustin, I also looked up their number 10 cans and they're $25.69. So there is a huge difference in prices from Thrive to Augustin. But personally, I'm not an Augustin fan. If you've seen my previous videos, I believe they use like second grade product versus first grade. And that's my own opinion. Some people out there may just like Augustin, but if I'm going to store something, I want to store something that's not going to break down and is good quality. And I do have a video where I opened up cans of corn and I was not impressed with them at all. Anyways, going back to it, the number 10 can, 23 servings, is 6.49 ounces. Now, by purchasing, let's call it your Trader Joe's product, it's in a package that's 1.2 ounces for $3.49. And so what I figured out here is in Trader Joe's, 1.2 ounces, $3.49. You would have to purchase 6 packages that equal 7.2 ounces, and it would cost you $20.94. Now, you at $20.94 still are saving from the Augustin or the Thrive, and you also are getting more product. I've done this and I broke this down on everything. Now, the Thrive and the Augustin is 25 years. This Thrive is what they say. And then also Augustin says up to 30 years. And on the blueberries, your breakdown is $48.09 for a number 10 can. Augustin was $41.99. You get 11 ounces from Thrive and 12 ounces from Augustin. And I'll have little snapshots at the end if you want to freeze it just to look at this. Again, Thrive says 25 years. Augustin says 25. So breaking down into the Trader Joe's packages, let me get one here. Trader Joe's is 1.2 ounces, and this blueberry package was $3.49. So you would have to buy 9 packages from Trader Joe's that would make 10.8 ounces. So a little shy of the Thrive 2 ounces shy, or excuse me, 0.2 ounces shy of the Thrive. But to buy 9 packages is $31.41. $31.41 versus the $48.09 at Thrive and $41.99 at Augustin. And so I've got these broke down. At the end of the video, I'll have those where you can actually freeze it and actually look at those breakdowns. Now talk the product. Trader Joe's, what they do awesome. Their raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, mangoes, apple slices, and bananas. I didn't get the pineapple, forgot to get the pineapple, but you get the idea. What I like about the smaller packages, purchasing the smaller packages, these are Mylar bags. So we as preppers know storing things in Mylar bags is awesome. You will get your time frame just like what your number 10 cans. Each one of them, when you open it up, has an oxygen absorber inside. Why do I like these little packages? One, eat your preps. What an alternative for a snack to take one of these or even open up some, mix them, and have little snacks. So healthy. And not only that, I've always kind of put, other than that, in my other previous videos, you see where I say rotate, rotate, rotate. So one of those things where you can get great nutritional value and you're rotating your product. How great is that? I purchased these probably 7 years ago. So these are just going to stay in my preps. But I also have purchased the freeze dried from Trader Joe's. They've been doing this for a while now. This package here, I've had in my preps, and everything that I get, I put the date on. So I've had these since February of 2012. So here's my freeze dried fresh raspberries. And I just wanted to open this up and show you what 7-year-old freeze-dried raspberries look like. Okay. I'm gonna get the other ones. Whoa, I'm dropping raspberries. It's gonna be the 30-second roll. Okay, 7 years later. Now these guys are a little, no, they're not a little darker in color. They've broken down a little bit. I think that's more due to me moving them around quite a bit. Hopefully you're getting this. All right. Taste test. This is the newer. Exactly the same product. 7 years later. Exactly the same product. There's no comparison. What I like about the smaller packages is you can take one of these, open it up, and use it. You can reconstitute it to use it, but take them out on the road with you. But once you've opened this package, this is only 1.2 ounces. If you open up these to turn, you're gonna have to start eating an entire number 10 can. So to me, if I'm thinking what I'm gonna purchase for food preps, I'm gonna purchase little packages for a whole lot less than the number 10 can. And this is something that I can take backpacking on a road trip, camping, and eating, like even for lunch, like little snack breaks at work, driving the car. So if you're looking for healthier alternatives to eat, this would be a great, great idea to put into your daily life. You can reconstitute, add some water to be able to mix some raspberries or blueberries, put them on some pancakes. They would be awesome. But I wanted to do this video because when you're having to purchase a can like this, let me get back to my notes here. Number 10 can of blueberries, today's prices is $48.09. You're looking at bananas, $31.79. pineapple, you're looking at $47.49. It's just a huge savings just to go ahead and purchase these. Now, unfortunately, if you don't have a Trader Joe's near you, I've looked on Amazon and the price doubles and sometimes triples in price to order the Trader Joe's, but you're still on the Trader Joe's sites to order the Trader Joe's freeze-dried fruits. You're still about the same price as if you were to purchase Thrive or Augustin. So buy the smaller packages, put them in a rubber tote. You've got your bananas. I'm going to sit here and just snack on this stuff. I have never had a freeze-dried mango before. Apple chips, great to dehydrate your own, but for freeze-dried, 25, 30 years later. Blueberries. And your strawberries. Try the Trader Joe's products. Hopefully you've got one near your home. If you don't, I just wanted to give a price breakdown of the difference by buying the number 10 cans from these prepper places versus going out into your stores and like price conscious what you're going to purchase. And is it cheaper for you to buy something else other than the number 10 cans? I hope you enjoyed the videos. If you did, please subscribe. And if you want to be notified for future videos, ring the bell. Y'all have a blessed day. So your apples come in a 1.2 ounce. Your mangoes are 1.7 ounce. Bananas are 2.46 ounces. Strawberries are 1.2 ounces. The blueberries are 1.2. The raspberries are 1.2 ounces. That's the ones that I just purchased. And then this is the package that I purchased in 2012. We'll put it side by side here closer. Get that out of the way. Can you tell the difference? That's the newer, and this is the older.